Today we're going to unbox the new Away Mini. So after I ordered my Away carry-on, I got an email from Away that these came out for Christmas. And don't tell anyone, but this is a Christmas gift for my sister. So before I wrap it, I thought I'd do a quick review. You'll see it comes with the nice carry bag, just like my big suitcase. And then this is the polycarbonate shell, and the inside is basically has that little netting and then a strap here. So Away says you can put whatever you want in it and use it as a secure bag inside your larger luggage. You'll see I have it on top of my carry-on. And seems nice. Hope my sister likes it for Christmas. So that's the Away Mini.